What if you sneezed with your eyes open and they popped out? Greg sneezed. Then someone said, if you do that with your eyes open, they'll pop out. Greg has questions. Google has trauma. So, can you actually sneeze your eyeballs out? Short answer, no. Long answer, also no. Unless you're in space, upside down, on a trampoline during an earthquake and cursed. Your eyes are held by 6 muscles plus pressure-locked sockets. Sneezing increases pressure, but not enough to eject your face. That said, someone once sneezed and fractured a rib. So, your eyes? Fine. Your dignity? Maybe not. Greg tried it. Blinked, sneezed anyway. Survived, but now wears goggles indoors. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such content.